Yes friends, let's move to next module, and in this particular module we are going to discuss partnership deed. Now what is that partnership deed? We saw that the relation amongst the partners is based on an agreement. It is a contract. So that contract in writing is essential for the purpose of registration of the firm, and that contract in writing is known as partnership deed. So this contract, such agreement duly stamped, ये एग्रीमेंट स्टैम्प पेपर के ऊपर बनाना पड़ेगा. It must be signed by all partners, witnessed by competent person, etc. ये सब बनने के बाद then it is submitted to the registrar of firms, who is a government officer, जो हमने earlier module में देखा था. Now this is, we can say, partnership agreement. ये सब ready हो गया. After that they will submit this agreement to the registrar for registration. It is a constitution of partnership, also called as articles of partnership. Partnership firm क्या कर सकता है, क्या नहीं कर सकता है, that is defined by this particular agreement. And such agreement, when it is registered, it is known as partnership deed. Friends, बहुत सिंपल है. जो एग्रीमेंट उन्होंने राइटिंग में बनाया है रजिस्ट्रेशन होने के बाद, that particular agreement is known as partnership deed. Now let's say the general contents of partnership deed. ये partnership deed में क्या क्या रहेगा? In general we want to discuss certain points of this particular partnership concern. As we saw, it is also known as articles of partnership. So all these articles are there in this particular partnership. Some of important articles we want to see as example. Name and address of the partnership firm. So it would be specifying name and address of the firm. Firm का address क्या है, firm का नाम क्या है, ये यहाँ पे specified रहेगा. Then after that, the second clause, business and duration of the firm. Business क्या रहेगा, कब तक business चलेगा, that is also specified in partnership deed. Then the next point, name and address of all partners. जितने भी partners है उनका नाम पता partnership deed में mention किया होगा. Then after that, capital contributed by each partner. How much capital will be contributed by every partner is specified in this particular partnership deed. As the example, we can see two partners are there. Ram, his capital is specified 12 lakhs. Sham, his capital is specified 10 lakhs. This is just an example. Okay. Then rules as to drawing by partners. Suppose they are doing the business, they are investing the money, so they have the right to take money from the business as and when they required. लेकिन अगर पैसा निकालते जाएंगे तो there would be shortage of capital in the business, and so that there could be certain rules in partnership deed on the drawings of the partners to restrict the amount of drawings. Then after that, rules as to interest on capital and drawings, if any. Partnership deed may contain rules for interest on capital. We allow to the partners for interest on drawings to be charged to the partners, so it is specified in the partnership deed. Then after that, rules as to sharing profits and losses. Very much important. प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए पार्टनरशिप फर्म में आया, प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए एग्रीमेंट बनाया है. सो हाउ दैट प्रॉफिट वुड बी शेयर्ड, अगेन इट इज स्पेसिफाइड इन द पार्टनरशिप डीड. नाउ इफ दे don't want to share the profits and losses, then it is essential for them to mention the ratio in which they would be sharing profits and losses. अगर नहीं mention किया है तो profit will be shared equally. Then next, rules as to loan taken from partner and interest thereon. If firm needs a loan, it can be taken from partner. Obviously, when loan is taken, we have to pay interest. So at what rate interest would be paid, that is specified in this particular partnership deed. Then after that, rules as to accounting and auditing of the accounts. Now, how to maintain the accounts and how the auditing of the accounts will be made. Again, those rules are specified in partnership deed. Then after that, next content, methods of valuation of goodwill. In future, need may arise to make the valuation of goodwill. So under which method the goodwill will be valued, that is also specified in partnership deed. Then rules as to admission, retirement and insolvency of partner. नया पार्टनर लेने का है, कोई पार्टनर जा रहा है तो बिजनेस कंटिन्यू होगा कि नहीं होगा. All this is specified in this particular partnership deed. Then after that, rules as to dissolution and settlement of accounts after dissolution. अगर dissolution होने वाला है यानी कि बिजनेस बंद होने वाला है तो अकाउंट्स का सेटलमेंट कैसे होगा उसका रूल्स पार्टनरशिप डीड में हो सकता है. Then after that, rules as to division of work and remuneration of partners. What work will be done by which partner? Are they going to get any extra remuneration for that? Rules are specified in this partnership deed. Rules as to operating of firm's bank account. If firm bank account is there, how it would be operated, whether it needs the signature of all partners or any one partner, again it is specified in this. Then other terms and conditions which are agreed by all partners. So rules like specific rights of partners, arbitration is अगर कुछ है specific rules that should be mentioned in partnership